Two of the following videos are true, while the other one is trash. Can you spot the fake? Magnification edition. Let's begin.
If you put an object just beyond the focal point of a magnifying glass, then shine a light through it, you can actually project a real, inverted image onto a screen. By adjusting where the magnifying glass is between the object and the wall, you can make the image sharper.
You can make a DIY projector using a box, your phone, and a magnifying glass. First, cut out a hole the size of your magnifying glass, then attach the magnifying glass and your phone on opposite sides of the box. Dimming the lights and turning your phone to full brightness, you have your very own homemade projector. Moving the phone closer or further away from the magnifying glass will make the image smaller or bigger.
A drop of water can act like a magnifying glass. Place a small drop of water on your camera lens and bring it close to a fine print object like a dollar bill. The drop of water acts like a convex converging lens and will help you see the fine details, like a microscope.
You've seen all three videos now. Pause to vote in the comments which one you thought was fake. If you thought the first video was fake, you would be wrong. And a water droplet does indeed act like a converging lens to make your phone like a microscope. That means that this video was fake.
Although it's possible to build a DIY projector using your phone and a magnifying glass, the one we showed in the video was actually faked. We're using an iPhone 15, which has a screen width of about 7.1 centimeters, or 2.8 inches. The magnifying glass says it's 2 times magnification, and typically this rating is taken at 250 millimeters. So the magnification factor is equal to the object distance divided by the focal length. After doing the math, we find that the focal length is equal to 125 millimeters. The magnifying glass itself has a diameter of 90 millimeters. Applying these to the thin lens equation, we get an image distance of 750 millimeters. So to form a sharp image, the projected screen would need to be at least 75 centimeters away, and that's assuming perfect alignment.
But there's also the fact that brightness drops drastically with distance. The light spreads over a large area, so the image looks very dim. The lens is also only 90 millimeters wide, so much of the light from the iPhone screen doesn't even pass through it. And the backlight isn't collimated, meaning the rays are diverging and not focused effectively through the lens. Finally, the plastic lens introduces distortion and aberrations, degrading image clarity even more. So, while the idea is based on optical principles learned in class, the video was actually faked using a real projector